am. But nothing here is pretty and I don't know where to stand. A kingdom that's so greedy, built upon the barren land. I don't care much for money, honey, ain't it funny how you feel rejected if you don't stick to the plan.
Direction Rottnest Highland.
I was just a baby boy, I got dropped on my head. I grew to be a big strong man with half my logic dead. This world called you crazy if your thoughts ain't got no thread. I don't care much for sanity, calamity, and meet you in the moment when you're not sure where to tread. Maybe I'll wind up dead. Oh my, 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 oh my heroes seem to die. The more I give, the more I try, I end up quite confused. Oh why, the cool kids all love suicide. King is gone and Jimmy died, and all my role models went to the bottle. I hope it's there for me if that's what they do. Strange this game of living, and is every lesson learned. I throw my hand into the fire and only end up burned. Life's quite unforgiving when you roll around in dirt. I'm not really one for social etiquette, no better yet I'll turn up to the party with a blood stain on my shirt. And I'm so bored the way things seem to me. Survival of the fittest, force fed through your new TV. You took a step on me. If you're not really sure what you've ever stood for, are you part of a problem that is bigger than the one that you see? It all looks the fucking same to me. Oh my, oh my heroes seem to die. The more I give, the more I try, I end up quite confused. Oh why, the cool kids all love suicide. The king is gone and Jimmy died, and all my role models went to the bottle. I hope it's there for me if that's what they do. Papa don't preach, he's an honest man.
Papa don't preach, he's an honest man.
And the devil makes work with idle hands.
The devil makes work with idle hands.
Yeah, I heard him knocking at my front door.
I heard him knocking at my front door.
I said, don't you come out here no more.
Don't you come round here no more.
My papa don't preach, he's an honest man.
Papa don't preach, he's an honest man.
And the devil makes work with idle hands.
The devil makes work with idle hands.
Yeah, I heard him knocking at my front door.
I heard him knocking at my front door.
I said,